Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So in this series of videos you will understand about projection of line. In this the first topic is projection of line parallel to two principal planes and perpendicular to the third. So we have total three planes: horizontal plane, vertical plane and the profile plane. So here to explain I have taken the planes. This is the vertical plane. So two principal planes, vertical plane and the horizontal plane. And the third plane will be the side view or the profile plane, or you can call PP. So this is the third plane which is on both the sides. So right hand side view or the left hand side view. So this is the third plane which is denoted by PP. Now starting with the first point, that will the projection of line parallel to the horizontal plane and vertical plane and perpendicular to the profile plane. So this is the vertical plane, this is the horizontal plane. So we have to consider a line. So this I am considering this is a line. So this line is parallel to the horizontal plane. So bottom. So this is parallel to the horizontal plane, this is parallel to the vertical plane and it is perpendicular to the profile plane. So if you see from the right hand side view, so this is the right hand side view, this line is perpendicular to the profile plane. So side view will be a dot and front view and top view will be a line. So our line is placed in this plane, so which is parallel to the horizontal plane, parallel to the vertical plane and it is perpendicular to the profile plane. So as you have understood, let's draw this. So first I'll draw a straight vertical line to draw the plane, and a straight horizontal line. These two lines are perpendicular to each other. Mark this as center point as 0. This will be XY. So this is a XY plane and the center marked as O. And this will be X dash or X1, Y1. So we are drawing in two dimensional. Here will be the vertical plane, that will be the front view. This is horizontal plane at the bottom side, so this will be the top view, and this will be the profile plane or this will be the side view. So as per the question, the line is parallel to the horizontal plane and the vertical plane. So I'll just explain you this again. So this is placed like this. So in the vertical plane there will be a straight horizontal line in the front view. In the horizontal plane it will be a straight line again, which will be the top view. This will be the front view. So front view will be a straight line. In exam the distances will be given. So this is a straight line. I'll mark it as A dash and B dash. Now next step for drawing the top view, we'll take the projections from the front view or the vertical plane to the top view or the horizontal plane. So it is again parallel to the horizontal plane. So this was the front view. Now for the top view also it will be a straight line. So this will be the top view, a straight line. Now moving towards the side view, as you know, a side view is a point. So for drawing the side view, we'll draw a 45-degree angle line as we do it in orthographic projection. Then take the projections from the front view and the top view to the side view. So this is the top view projection and this is the front view projection. And from the top view 45-degree angle projection we'll take it upward. So as you can see, it is a point. So in the side view or the projection plane, we get a point. So as I have earlier explained also, the line is perpendicular to the third plane or the projection plane. So you can see it is a point. So in the side view, this is the side view. If you look, it represents a point. So this is that point. Now for marking, in the horizontal plane, we'll mark it as AB, and in the side view, we'll mark it as A double dash and B double dash. I'll mark the distances. These distances are above the horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane. So I'll just draw the arrows. Now this distance is above the horizontal plane. I'll denote it as L, and in front of vertical plane, I'll denote it as M. Just drawing the direction. So vertical plane denotes the front view. As I have mentioned earlier, HP denotes the top view and PP denotes the side view. Now with this, we are done with the first point, that is projection of line parallel to HP and VP and perpendicular to PP. Now next 1.2, we'll study projection of line parallel to HP and PP and perpendicular to VP. So now we have a line which is parallel to horizontal plane, that is this. So parallel will be like this, and then it is parallel to the PP. So our line is parallel to HP and PP. So our line will be like this. So it is parallel to HP and it is also parallel to PP. And then it will be perpendicular to VP. So as our main question, projection of line parallel to the two principal planes and perpendicular to the third. So now you have parallel to HP and PP and perpendicular to VP. Now for drawing in two-dimensional, again we'll draw the XY line. Then we'll draw the straight vertical line, that is X dash Y dash. This is center point O. Now as the line is parallel to HP and PP, as you know, so in the front view or in the vertical plane, it will look like a point. So this is VP, HP and PP. So line is straight here. So line is like this. So in the vertical plane or in the front view, it will look like a dot. It will look like a dot. Now taking its projection down in the top view. So in the top view, it will be a straight line, as I am showing it again. So in the front view, it is a dot, and in the top view, it is a straight line which is parallel to the horizontal plane. So I'll draw a straight dark line. Now again drawing the side view, for that 45-degree angle line, and then taking the projections from the front and from the top to the side view. So taking the projection on the 45-degree angle line, from here taking the projection to the side view, then from here taking the projections upward, from here taking the projections upward to the side view. So it is also parallel to the projection plane. So in the projection plane, it will also look like a straight horizontal line. So this I'll make it dark. So this is how the projection of line will look when it is parallel to HP and PP and perpendicular to VP. Now denoting the points, always in HP will mark AB. Always in side view will mark A double dash, B double dash, and in vertical plane will mark A dash, B dash. So always keep in mind. Now this height distance is denoted by which is above the horizontal plane. So this distance is said as above the horizontal plane. We'll denote it as L, and this line is in front of vertical plane. We'll denote it as M. Just marking the direction line, and we are done with this part. Now next, third point 1.3, projection of line will be parallel to vertical plane and PP and then perpendicular to the horizontal plane. So the line will be like this. It is parallel to the vertical plane. It is parallel to the PP, that is profile plane, and it is perpendicular to the horizontal plane. As we have 3 planes, there will be 3 combinations. So the line will be like this and like this. So first, now drawing in 2-dimensional. First we'll draw the horizontal line, XY line. Straight vertical line. This will be XY, 0 or O, X dash, Y dash. So line will be a straight in VP, as it is parallel to the vertical plane. So line will be a straight line. This will be A dash, B dash. This is the height. Now taking it projection downward. As in the horizontal plane, it will be a dot as it is perpendicular to the horizontal plane. So as you can see from the top view, in the horizontal plane, it is a dot. Now taking the projection to the side view, drawing a 45-degree angle line. So side view or profile plane, it will be a straight line again. So taking the projections to the side view from the front view and from the top view. So this will be denoted as AB. This will be the line in profile plane, that will be A double dash, B double dash. Now this is line above the horizontal plane. So this distance is denoted by L. And this distance is in front of vertical plane. So this distance is denoted by M. So this represents front view, this is top view, and this is the side view. So these are the 3 combinations where the line is parallel to 2 principal planes and perpendicular to the third. So in next video, we'll see the next combination. Thank you for watching.